Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. We're opening another Ipsy bag. We just did this like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, something like that. And it's already time for another one. I saw some of my mutuals posting saying they didn't get their July bag even till the first few days of August. So I don't know what the deal is, but we've got our August bag here to open today. So if that sounds good to you, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I upload videos twice a week. It is totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back again on the channel for all things makeup. Okay, so let's pull the bag out here. Here's the bag. It feels like not much is in it, but I can feel in the bubble mailer that there are some products like in there that didn't fit in this bag. So here is our little explanation card. We'll read at the end. There's usually 5 items in here. The bag is 15, 16, something like that at this point. And today we're going to decide to, like, am I going to continue and get a bag next month? Or was this just a little 2-month run based on, you know, me not having tried it for 5 years before the last bag I got? Let me know in the comments if you want me to continue to get this as well or not. So our first item is from Dr. Pawpaw. I think this might have been the one that I chose because you do get to pick one item in your bag. This is the multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks, and skin with a hint of tint. And I chose mine in this tinted peach pink color. So that's the first thing there. It's just what I like the most out of the choices. Second, from Half Caked, never heard of this brand before, I Defy Zero Gravity Mascara. Okay, a mini mascara. Never tried this brand. Looks like a nice wand. I've tried wands like that before, that shape. So yeah, I don't know much about it. I'll read to you in the insert, but a mini mascara. Cool. I've gone through several lately, so it's not a bad thing. From Dr. Brunette. Okay, a brand I've heard of. The Advanced Microdermabrasion Face Exfoliator. I know I've tried some kind of exfoliant from Dr. Brunette. I don't know if it's this particular one, but I usually keep some sort of facial exfoliator in the shower and use it a couple times a week. I've got one in there right now that's from Kate Somerville, and I think we got one in the July bag as well, but this will be used eventually when we get to needing one in the shower. So that's 3 items. Number 4, from the Toy Factory. I've never heard of this brand. Prime Collagen Hyaluronic Acid Makeup Primer. Okay, so it's a primer. Great, cool. Probably going to be hydrating if I had to guess. And there's 2 things in the bag. So I think I said this last month that they got me by getting me to re-up because they said you would get like a free gift if you re-upped, and it didn't come in the July one. It looks like it's come now in the August one because I do have 6 items here. So one of these is a gift for re-upping. I don't know which is which, but we'll know when we open the insert which is the free gift here. So we've got from Glow on Fifth Beauty, which I've never heard of, Set for Life Setting Spray. Okay, Glow on Fifth Hydrating Setting Spray. Okay, I'm down for that. I don't have a crazy amount of setting sprays. I have 1, 2, 3, I think currently, which is still more than I need, but it's not like a crazy hoarded amount like some categories of makeup that I have. So sure, we'll use a hydrating setting spray at some point. So put this up here. And then we have from Elemis the Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. This looks like a full size to me. It's huge. I'm guessing maybe this is the gift. I don't know. But this is their Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix Replenishing Night Cream. So let's take a look at the card here. We've got the lip balm. This says this is a full size, so this will be a full point to my low buy bank account or point account. And it says that it's only $5.25. The Toy Factory, the primer, this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $32. Ooh, this AI formulated primer is your skin's pre-glam power up. AI formulated? Let me know your thoughts on that, because AI formulated? I don't know about all that. We'll see. We'll try it. The facial exfoliator from Dr. Brunette, another deluxe sample. This one the full size is $79. I think I have tried the full size before, but I think I've only bought it when they used to do like the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty when it was half off and I could pay like 30 or 40 some dollars for it full size. That was more reasonable to me. And I do remember really liking it. But like skincare products won't count like the LMS and the Dr. Brandt into my makeup points since it's skincare, not makeup. The setting spray, this is a full size, $25. $25 setting spray. That's kind of like, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cheap packaging. It's like really plasticky. Let's look at this again. It's got plastic wrap on it, which is fine, but it's just like a squeeze, like I can squeeze the bottle. It's just like a plastic cheapie for $25. I don't know about that, y'all. I don't know about that. I would just as soon spend a little bit more. I think it's $32 for the Benefit Professional to get something a little better, in my opinion. But that's with me not trying it whatsoever. So I could be corrected. We'll see. And then the Half Caked mascara. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $18 of that mascara. So yeah, that means the LMS is the free gift. So I re-upped for this. Okay, so what do you guys think of the bag? Obviously, going on the values, it is worth the like 15 or whatever if you're just talking value. I've never heard of Toy Factory, I've never heard of Half Caked, and I've never heard on Glow on Fifth. I have heard of Dr. Pawpaw, Dr. Brandt, and Elemis. Dr. Brandt is probably out of those three brands the one that I'm most impressed with. I haven't tried a lot of Dr. Pawpaw, but I've heard of it. I have tried a fair bit of Elemis and have not been super impressed. I'm not saying it's bad, but it's just been like fine. So overall, personally, like even though the value of the bag is worth the money, I'm not as blown away by these products as I was in the July one. I'll leave link to the July one if you haven't seen it yet and you would like to. But that one, I don't know, like I had e.l.f. in there. That was really exciting. I know that's drugstore, but it was just more exciting for some reason. And we had, what else did we have in there? Now I'm forgetting. Sorry, I have the card here from last month for reference. Oh yeah, we had Alamar and we had What's Up Beauty. Some indie brands that were more exciting to me, at least, than this bag. So since I am on a low buy, you guys let me know in the comments, but I'm leaning towards pausing it again for now and not doing it because even though it's not adding as many points, not as many full-size products, half points are still half points for the deluxe size samples, and I don't need to be adding points to my balance. I'll leave my last update if you haven't seen it. The numbers are high. The numbers are high, and I'm trying to work on getting them down, so I feel like maybe I should pause for now. And I have heard from other people that Ipsy does this. I don't know if it's true or not, where you first sign up and you get like the best possible options or really, really good choices or things in that first one back to get you to like commit and get another one. And then you're back to kind of like this bag where you're like, it's fine, but it's not anything that's like, wow, special, cool, how I felt last month. So I don't know. I don't know what the right answer is. But again, for me, I think on my low buy, probably have to pause right now. I did see the comment that I should try the ice cream box. I would love to try that at some point. I did see it's $30 a month, which is a little bit steep for me personally right now. My husband and I are doing a patio project build thing at our house right now. And so funding is going towards that right now, but maybe in a few months, once we have that project finished being built and paid for, I might be able to explore some other things. And that would give me some time to use up some products to at least reduce my point debt before I get a whole bunch of new stuff. So thank you if you stayed for my rant, if you stayed for the whole video. I appreciate it so much, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!